we've just been to a township just outside of Cape Town, and they did loads of dances and loads of songs, and yeah, it was awesome to watch.
It was amazing. One of the boys, he learnt the Welsh national anthem on the trumpet, and he was really good. We were going to sing along, but it was too good to listen to. So yeah, no, he was amazing, and that was just an amazing experience, seeing what their culture is and how he learnt that to please us. Just going and seeing sort of how they live and how lucky we really are. And it's just they actually put a smile on our faces, and we tried to put a smile on their faces as they were happy to see us.
Was that something you prepared for? Did you know you were going to get up and sing Calon Lan before you got on the bus this morning?
No, I don't think any of us knew really. I think Woody put Scarfy on the spot there to sing his song, and then no, none of the boys knew we'd sing Calon Lan. We just did it just to sort of celebrate with them.
Gentlemen, I want to extend a hand of gratitude on behalf of the school in Khayelitsha.
They said a lot that they were really grateful for us to come down and be part of us as a team. I think they mentioned 3 years ago Wales came down and visited them as well, so they obviously remember us being there and they hold it as a big memory. So, and I think we will as well.